Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about the power of placement optimization. Let's get into it. Placement optimization in Amazon. Sponsored product campaigns offers a highly effective method for improving campaign performance by controlling where ads appear and how much is spent for each location. There are three main placements available: top of search, rest of search, and product pages. Each of these can deliver vastly different results depending on the product and audience behavior. Amazon provides the ability to apply placement modifiers on top of the base keyword bid. For example, a 100% modifier for top of search would double the base bid for that specific placement. This approach allows advertisers to adjust visibility and performance in a more granular way. Instead of treating every placement equally, modifiers enable better control based on historical performance data. Placement performance can be analyzed using Amazon's placement reports, which provide detailed insights into impressions, clicks, conversions, ATOS, and other key metrics per placement. With this data, advertisers can identify which placements are most profitable and adjust their bids accordingly. For example, if top of search consistently yields higher conversion rates and lower ACOS, it may be beneficial to increase the modifier for that placement while reducing the base bid to manage overall costs. This form of bid engineering involves balancing the base bid and placement modifiers to reach a target cost per click for each placement. It often requires using spreadsheets or external tools to calculate effective CPCs and determine the most efficient configuration. Properly implemented, this strategy can help ensure that high-performing placements receive more budget, while underperforming ones are deprioritized. However, incorrect use of modifiers can lead to inefficient spending. Applying excessively high modifiers without adjusting the base bid can result in inflated CPCs and rapid budget depletion. Similarly, ignoring placement optimization altogether may leave potential performance improvements untapped. To implement effective placement optimization, it's important to regularly review placement level performance and adjust both base bids and modifiers based on actual results. This ensures that each campaign is aligned with performance goals, allowing for smarter allocation of ad spend. Ultimately, placement optimization is a more advanced tactic, but offers significant advantages in terms of profitability and control. With the right data and strategy, advertisers can improve their visibility in high-converting placements while keeping overall advertising costs in check. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.